Welcome to WordPress Ultimate Security's another video. Today we'll discuss the common password mistakes and how to secure your site and eliminate vulnerabilities. To get started, make sure you have installed Ultimate Security. Using a robust security plugin provides several benefits. It automates complex security protocols, prevents brute force attacks, and ensures your users follow best practices. Weak passwords and poor habits are the leading cause of site breaches. First, let's tackle the most common mistake. Enable password policies to force your users to create stronger credentials. We can set quick presets to strong. This automatically updates the minimum length and complexity requirements. We're increasing the minimum length to 16 characters. A longer password is exponentially harder for bots to crack. We're keeping the requirement a mix of uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and symbols. Another major mistake is reusing the same password across multiple sites. By setting the password history to 5, we ensure users can't rotate back to their old, potentially compromised passwords. Hit Save Changes to lock in these hardening rules. After establishing new password rules, avoid storing credentials in browsers or insecure notes, as this significantly increases the risk of a data breach. If you suspect your password has been breached, change it immediately and enable multi-factor authentication to further harden your security. Now, let's address the failure to use two-factor authentication. Even the best password can be stolen from a browser or insecure note. 2FA is your secondary line of defense. Simply toggle on either email verification or Authenticator app. If you don't know how to configure these settings, check our 2FA setup video. You will find the link in the description box. This adds a physical layer of security that hackers cannot bypass with just a password. Click Save Changes. Notice how our 2FA security status instantly jumps from weak to a much safer level. By following these steps, you've protected your site from the most common entry points used by attackers. Thanks for watching. Download Ultimate Security plugin, link in description box. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more security videos.